Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Please, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell for more notifications. We're going to react KGF trailer 2, of which you have reacted the KGF trailer 1 or part 1 or episode 1, whatever you like.
Powerful people come from powerful places.
Powerful people come from powerful places. Who knows? Mention his name in the comments below. Yash.
Under the hero sothodna? ಈಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೀರೋ?
ಗಾಯಗೊಂಡಿರೋ ಸಿಂಹದ ಉಸಿರು ಗರ್ಜನೆಗಿಂತ ಭಯಂಕರವಾಗಿದೆ. ಒಂದು ಹೊಡೆದಾಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಮೊದಲು ಹೊಡೆದ್ರು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಲೆಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವನ್ ಮೊದಲು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಲೆಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದು.
ಗ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್
ಗ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರೋನು ಗ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್, ಅವನೊಬ್ಬನೇ ಬರೋನು ಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟರ್.
That was all about chapter 2. Please, if you want to watch more reactions about Bollywood videos or movies, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell, and support us with your thumbs by liking our video.